We have a pretty good storm going out here right now. There has been a lot of lightning. It's raining really hard right now. I'm not going outside because the porch is wet all the way underneath the roof. Cars are going very slow on the freeway. Seeing flashers coming on and brake lights coming on. Ooh, it is really oh, there's the police out there. I don't know if we've had an accident or if they're just slowing people down. This is, ooh, there's some pretty severe lightning. Yeah, there's a car that's at a stop with flashers on out there. Yeah, this is a 20% day. Didn't think anything was going to happen, but this one kind of snuck up from the southwest. Oh, there's another pretty good lightning. Yeah, the freeway is really pretty slow now. Okay, the rain has slowed down some. It's still raining, but it's not driving in here like it was a few minutes ago. You can see the trees are waving around pretty good. We'll watch this for another minute or two and see if anything comes of it. You can see my pool is white capping. Not really white capping, but it's blowing around pretty good, the water in there. And as you can see, the window in front of me, which is like 8 feet underneath the roof. Wow, that was impressive. The wind is blowing it directly back underneath this roof. So it's coming in pretty much from the south and southwest. Flashers again on the freeway. No more lightning. More lightning. Yeah, our lights flickered a while ago. We had a really pretty good strike, maybe a block or two away, and the lights flickered and the kind of power kind of rebooted. Oh, camera's having a little trouble focusing because of these drops on the window. Oh, that was a big one. Don't know how close it was. Oh, there's a good strike. Just crack the window open a little bit so you can hear a little better. That's close. My little dog is pretty scared. I'm gonna move back over to this other window. Oh. Hope you're hearing that. It's pretty loud. Really happy to see the rain. Didn't think we were going to get any. Just saw on the Weather Channel tonight that we normally have about 3 inches of rain for this point in the monsoon season, and we're actually at about 5. So that's really good. Ooh, pretty bright stuff out there. So monsoon starts June 15th, and we are now at August 5th or 6th or whatever it is. And so we're doing well. We're ahead of schedule for rainfall. Glad to see that. All right, well, I'll cancel this one and see about posting it. Enjoy.